Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go. Once inside the program, I know it can be overwhelming to you, especially if you are an absolute beginner, especially with the amount of stuff you should deal with to plan your projects. But don't worry, I will explain everything step by step so you will understand everything smoothly and efficiently. Let me explain to you the process of planning inside DIALux evo. In every project, you start with project, you enter the project data, you build the project in construction, you light the project in light, you configure the calculation objects in calculation objects, you do the exports in export, and you prepare and you export the documentation in documentation. As easy as that, but it takes some time to be proficient at it. These tabs here, we can call them horizontal tabs. Inside each horizontal tab, these main tabs here, we have other vertical tabs, and inside every vertical tab we have tools and functions that we use in our projects. We also have this part here of the software that is called a ribbon, and in this ribbon we have the site. This site is composed of the building. It can be composed of one building or several buildings. The buildings are composed of stories, and the stories are composed of rooms. Then here we have the plans. You can show them or hide them, but we have no plans now. This cube is the 3D view, the 3D rendering, like they call it here in DIALux. You can see your project in 3D. This one is the floor plan view, the 2D view by default. Then if we expand this arrow here, we have front view and front view from the right. This one is view from behind and view from the left. This one, let's go, for us to understand its utility, let's go to 3D rendering. Sometimes in a project you just lose track of your, you don't know where you are. You can bring back your project to the screen. So you just click on zoom to entire scene and it brings your project in front of you. This one is the tape measure. So to measure, just click on it like this, and you want, for example, to measure from this point, from the ceiling to the floor, and it's 3 meters. We already know that. Let's go to floor plan view. Let's click on set coordinate system. Now it's set here in this corner. We can change it to the middle or to here or here. We can also rotate our project playing with the coordinate system. Again, if we want to change this angle, we can press on tab and make it 60, for example, and voila, our room rotates 60 degrees. We also have here the calculations. We can run the calculations, but we need to insert luminaires if we want to run artificial light calculations. We can also do daylight calculations, but we need to insert some windows. On here we have the calculation settings, we have the light scenes, and we can also switch between projects, the project templates, outdoor and building planning. We can switch to street lighting. Here we have the overview of the results, the news again, the marketing, and display options. We will discover all or most of them in the coming videos, so stay tuned and take some notes. Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.